Hello everyone, welcome to another Wix tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to add a CV to your Wix website. Now, a CV, if you want to add to your Wix website, you will need to make it PDF or any type of online reading document format. So PDF works really good. So if you want to go and add it, you'll basically need to go and basically upload a document which is a PDF document to your Wix website. So you need to click the media icon on the left side of the editor and click on the upload media icon right here and then choose the file from your computer. Now obviously select the file and add it to page to add it to your site, and that's pretty much it. Here it is. This is the icon, how it looks like. Very simple. You can also import it from Google Drive if you want. And yeah, basically you just hit it and yeah, you basically will upload it on your Wix website. That is basically how easy it is. But hey, if you have any question or maybe comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video. And subscribe for more videos because we're posting 5 different videos a day. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.